I want to talk about shoulder pain and what chiropractic, cold laser, and a device called or Percussor can do with shoulder pain, shoulder problems, and neck issues. I'm Dr. Mike Jorgensen with Red River Chiropractic and Wellness, and another issue that really causes a lot of problems with people's lives is shoulder pain. There's so many issues that can crop up in a person's life, from injuries, from trauma, from auto accidents, sports injuries, you name it, that leads to shoulder problems, shoulder pain. And when you have an arm and a shoulder that does not work like it needs to, or is chronically giving you problems and interrupting your sleep, it can be a nightmare. So we've been doing some work with using chiropractic, my cold laser and a percussor, to help remove interference from the nerve system to the nervous system and free up shoulders that are sometimes even frozen. Frozen shoulders is another condition, and getting some really great results. So we're going to talk to a patient who had one of the worst shoulder conditions, and for the longest period of time in my career. We're going to talk to her, and she's going to share a little bit of her story. We'll go to that now. All right, we're lucky enough to have Mary here, and Mary had a chronic shoulder problem that went on for years. And Mary and I were in the same Rotary Club, and we were doing a field project, and this whole shoulder thing kind of came up when we started talking, and I'll just let Mary kind of explain and kind of give you her history about how that went and how we came to meet and what's happened, and I'll let you go for it, Mary.
Sure. Well, for years I've had shoulder issues where I couldn't reach, didn't have a lot of strength or anything in my shoulder. And it got to the point when I met Mike Dr. Jorgensen about a year ago, that I couldn't even move it past here. And I've been working with him. I've been working with some massage therapy, the cold laser, and to get this working again, it got so bad that I couldn't even sleep through the night. I'd wake up in the middle of the night in terrible pain from all the muscles not being used, and it was because I was on the way to get a frozen shoulder. And now I got movement, not complete movement, but much better through his treatments and help, and I feel like I can live again and function.
Yeah, that's been great. It was really impairing you. Like you said, it was headed for a frozen shoulder, and it's a long ways from good. But like you say, maybe not a long ways from good, but it's there's still room for improvement. But we know there's other stuff going on. Mm-hmm. And so. Oh
yeah, because I've had neck and back issues. Just from I've been 40 years of retail, and I'm on my feet 8, 10, 12, 15 hours a day. So that's caused problems, and also through Dr. Jorgensen's help, I've gotten the back issue and the neck issues simplified and much better than they've ever been. I feel much stronger again.
Yeah, and you're just someone who is very active, and I see you just staying active, enjoying life. 20 years from now, because you take care of yourself. So, but Mary, thank you so much for sharing that. If you or somebody is dealing with a shoulder problem, shoulder pain, they've got a rotator cuff issue, it doesn't really matter. Consider chiropractic if you have any questions, because we can do things that are natural, that get relatively quick results in most cases, and there's no side effects except feeling better and getting back to life. So I'm Dr. Mike Jorgensen. You can reach out to us 701-235-2700. You can call the office and talk to Susan, get an appointment, and I hope to hear or see you soon. Thanks again, Mary.